A minor is legally defined as a person who has not reached 18 years of age. Due to their lack of maturity and susceptibility to influence, minors can be easily misled and are often unable to make well-considered decisions. Recognizing this, the law is structured to protect minors from exploitation and ensure their best interests are prioritized. In this video, we shall examine such laws that protect minors. Minors can approach the civil court through a next friend who is an adult who represents the minor's interests. In cases of parental separation, the court's primary concern is the minor's welfare. Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code allows for maintenance claims for neglected minor children, which can be initiated by the mother or any suitable guardian without the need for formal guardianship appointments. Under Section 10 of the Contract Act, contracts involving minors are void, meaning they have no legal effect. However, such agreements are not deemed illegal. Section 26 of the Negotiable Instruments Act permits minors to engage with negotiable instruments, like checks, without incurring liability, thereby protecting them from legal obligations that apply to adults. Minors can file lawsuits through a next friend without requiring prior court permission, as stipulated in Order 32, Rules 1, 2A, and 7 of the Civil Procedure Code. Any settlement in such suits must be approved by the court to ensure it benefits the minor. Guardians can file maintenance petitions on behalf of minors under Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code, without needing an order of guardianship. The court can direct maintenance payments to the person responsible for the minor's care. To claim money owed to a deceased individual, legal heirs, including minors, must obtain a succession certificate according to Sections 370 and 214 of the Indian Succession Act. The court ensures the minor's share is secured, often through instruments like fixed deposits. The Guardians and Wards Act, 1890, governs custody disputes, with the court prioritizing the minor's welfare. Custody orders are typically temporary and may be adjusted as circumstances change. The disposal of a minor's immovable property is regulated by the Guardians and Wards Act, 1890, requiring court-appointed guardianship and specific court permission. Under Mohammedan law, legal guardians have limited authority to dispose of property, and unauthorized transactions can be voided. The Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, 1956, similarly restricts de facto guardians from property disposal without court permission. Unauthorized transactions by guardians can be voided, ensuring minors' property is protected. The Limitation Act grants minors special consideration for filing suits, recognizing minority as a legal disability affecting the commencement of limitation periods. This provision allows minors to initiate legal actions beyond the standard limitation periods once they reach adulthood. Under Section 122 of the Transfer of Property Act, gifts of immovable property to minors are valid upon acceptance. These gifts must benefit the minor, providing legal security to property transactions involving minors. For Christians in the erstwhile Travancore area, the Travancore Christian Guardian Act, 1941, provides a framework for guardianship, though its current applicability is uncertain. Generally, appointing a court guardian under the Guardians and Wards Act is recommended for property disposal. These robust legal frameworks ensure minors' interests are protected across various legal domains, from contractual obligations to property rights and custody disputes, underscoring the emphasis on their welfare and security. In conclusion, our law provides many privileges to minors to protect them from exploitation due to their immature decisions or lack of knowledge. No matter which law we examine, we can see how transactions involving minors are protected under the Indian legal system. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.